Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I thought I'll do a quick video on Blackmores because it's looking there's a nice setup in Blackmores. I'll show this first, then we'll have a look at the big sort of picture. See here. Now the Blackmores has crossed the previous resistance area. This area has been a resistance area for this stock for a while. It tried to go up this area once, twice, three times, four times. In the fifth attempt, managed to go up and came down, now sitting on that previous resistance. So this is a very good setup. Then I'll quickly show you the big picture sort of a thing before we do more over there. See, this stock had a good run from here. 2014-15 had a massive run. I believe you can see, hopefully. So this is the around here, that's the top in that run, around 219-20, that mark. Then it started dropping. There are relief rallies, but didn't work out and dropped all the way to here. Then this started going up again. Then this time high is around 170. Then came down, try to go up, make lower highs, came down. This seems to be a good support area for this stock. See here, supported once, twice, three times, four times, five times. This is weekly. If we go to the daily, we can see this area has been a good support area. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this area, let's have a look at the RSI. See here, always RSI has been around oversell. See here, when it comes to that support area, it's a oversell. Then it has picked up again here. So let's go to the weekly again. Now let's look at what we have now. Now, as mentioned previously, now it has crossed the resistance, came down, retested that resistance, and it acted as a support last week. Now what I expect is this to go up. That's because when you retest, so what it did was retest this resistance just to see if it will act as a support. Now it did. What I expect is go and test this resistance. That's what I expect. But as I always tell, this can turn around and go down, breaking this support. So always you have to use your stop loss to cover any any losses. Like, you will lose money, but avoid it going further. If you have a stop loss here, it will trigger and it will save the less less loss for you. So then I'll show you how I came up with this first resistance area. So when you see this stock, see this area has been supporting area for this stock for a while. Not a while, twice, three times supported here. So I expect this area 117, 118 to act as a resistance when it go up. So that's my first sort of area. I expect this stock may struggle. Then the next area I have in mind is 172. Once it's past this price area, then it will, the next area it will have issues will be around here, and after that is the this one, which is the what you call the previous, like 2016 January, the resistance. But first, let's look at here. What we have here is a nice setup. I really like when they come and retest this resistance. The resistance act as support. So my plan for the, and you can see the RSI also going up. So my plan for this stock is, like, let's say if I buy it, I am happy to buy at this level, and my stop loss is around $85. So in case if it comes down, I have my protection. So 85, you can go up to 10%, let's say 83.75 sort of, if you're happy to let it go for about 10% loss, in case that, because then what happen is if it comes retest this support, you have room, that you have given the stock room to turn around. If it is because it happened to me, that's what I'm saying. If I put tight stop loss just below here, sometimes these weeks come, then it go up on the same day or same week, but your stop loss triggered, then you lose that. And if you give it bit more room, then your stop loss will not trigger. But if it drop all the way down, it triggers around here, then like protect your further loss. This is that's the thing you have to keep in mind. If you put tight stop losses, stop loss can trigger, but stock may turn around and go, but then stop loss has triggered, which either then you have to re-enter the trade again, or you have to find another one. So that's the thing you have to be mindful. It's up to individuals risks what you want to take. So let's say in my case, I am happy to take up to 10% stop loss in this one, and happy to buy in here, because what I expect is this scenario to play out. That's the high probability in this stock. Then expect resistance around this mark. So if we get here and you go up to here, you get 20%, and retest this one. It can keep going to the next level. So that's a quick video on Blackmores. I thought I'll do the video because it's a nice setup for a trade. Yeah, if anyone like, you can get in and see how you go, and keep in mind this is not financial advice. You have to see a financial person if you want to make a trade, or if you willing to make a trade, you have to do your own research and do your own checks and balances before you make a trade. What I tell you is what I see in this chart. It looks good, and if I were to buy, I buy it and put a stop loss around $9. Sorry, $83, 63, 82, $83.60, that mark. Then yeah, that's a good one. If you like my videos, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. That will help my channel a lot. Okay, thanks. See you next time.